In this video, I am going to show you 4 platforms that are paying people $30 every 10 minutes to type what you hear. Hey, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you exactly step by step how to make $30 every 10 minutes simply by typing what you hear. But before we jump into it, make sure to hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm to see if we could get this video to 5,000 likes in the next 24 hours. Now, hey, we're doing a cash giveaway on our channel. We're giving away up to $50 to 10 people. The choice is yours. Watch the full video, like and share the video, and click the giveaway link in the description below to join this giveaway. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, now the 2 steps to earning $30 every 10 minutes for typing what you hear are. Step 1. I will be revealing the top 4 platforms that will pay you to type what you hear. Step 2. I will be showing you how to automate the work, so you don't actually have to type any words if you don't like typing. So, let's go ahead and get right into it. The tool you will be needing to automate all of the work is Google Translate. Now, you could go here, going to translate.google.com, and what's cool about this is you're actually going to get paid more if you translate words into different languages, and I'll show you why that is. But first, what's cool about this is you can translate. You can basically play the audio and Google will start typing whatever it hears, okay. And it will also translate it into a different language. So, you have an English transcription and then you have a Spanish translation as well. So, this is super cool and valuable because you could get paid twice simply for typing what you hear in English and then translating it into Spanish. So, I'm going to show you exactly the 4 platforms that will pay you to utilize Google Translate right here. Now, first, you're going to need a PayPal account. So, what you should do is open up a quick PayPal account. You could do this around the world at paypal.com. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the first site. Now, the first site's not the highest paying, but it's definitely one you want to get started with. So, I'll be ranking these from lowest paying to highest paying. Now, let's go ahead and go over to the first site. So the first site is Scribby.com. This is a freelance transcription site. As you can see, work at your convenience, earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. We provide automated transcripts to save you 60% of the typing effort. All you have to do is listen, then correct, and you get paid into a verified PayPal account. So, it's very simple. They're going to play some audio for you, all you have to do is type it. Now, if you use Google Translate, it will type it for you, and then you submit the transcription back. Now, if you do it in a different language, you can earn even more. Some people on this platform are earning about $1,600 per month in passive income. That is extra income. You could do multiple sites. You want to stack these 4 sites so you can make even more than this, right? $800 pretty good for simply just letting an audio play and Google Translate doing all of the work for you. They've been in business since 2008, they've paid out over $4 million. So, it's a legit website, and they have 50,000 certified transcribers globally in any country. Very easy, you could work from home, work at your convenience. Now, site 2, ThoTranscript.com. They pay 60 cents per audio minute. Top monthly earnings are about $12 on this particular site, which is pretty cool. And again, very flexible hours, you can choose your own projects. And they also allow you to translate to different languages, which you will get paid even more. So, this site is pretty cool. When you will be paid, they pay every single Friday. If that's a common question that you are wondering. Okay, so very easy to use, and this is an easy site to get set up with. Okay, let's go to site 3, transcribeme.com. You can get paid $60 to $70 per audio hour if you're on their special team. Now, special teams obviously know multiple languages, but that's fine. Google Translate will do the work for you, and it's very easy to use. They even provide healthcare and different benefits like that. So, it's a very easy way to sign up. All you have to do is go to transcribeme.com, press Start Freelancing, fill out a quick application, and set up your account. And then you could start transcribing words. Now, our last site, which is rev.com. This is one of the highest paying sites. It pays out weekly via PayPal. As you can see, for all work completed, flexible hours, all you have to do is go to rev.com, freelancers sign up here, select your country, and then boom, set up your account. Now, they are paying out more per audio minute, $1.10 per audio minute. But if you go down here and know a foreign language, they will pay $3 per audio minute. So that's $30 every 10 minutes utilizing Rev. This is the most famous site. They're on the Penny Hoarder, featured in Forbes, Huffington Post, The Business Insider, and you can sign up today with this particular site. All of these ways of making money online are great. You can definitely make a nice side income, maybe a couple of thousand or a few $1,000s per month. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to join our Telegram channel so that you won't miss any new update. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you'll be notified as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.